Welcome to Vancouver's West End, where I live and work and play. Okay, good morning. I'm at the Home Depot Garden Center by the train station. The woman in green over there is their perennial buyer. And we're going to do a deal today for 40 large boxwood to replace the boxwood that were killed by fungus blight last week. Well, they've been dying for a year, but they've been torn out, and we're going to buy new ones today, 40 of them, and hopefully she will have a good deal for me. But first I need to look for...
Oh, hey.
Good morning, Cecilia.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
Want to see your boxwood?
I do. How do you feel about being on a YouTube channel that nobody ever watches?
Why?
I'm filming you.
Asking me?
I'm filming you right now.
You're not.
I am.
Are you?
Through these glasses.
There are more green velvets. Like, there's another 10.
Uh-huh.
But this is the way they came. I mean, I know there's a little seed of stuff in here. So it's this, and this.
Awesome. They look gorgeous.
Yeah, they're really, really nice. But there is a couple of extras, so as we pull them out, if there's one that is like...
All right.
That's not right. You can switch it out, but most of them are really good.
Right, there's some with a little burn on the leaves, I
Yeah.
see.
But there is more green velvet over here, so they sent extra, because they sent 60 of them, so
Great.
there is extra. So I figured as you load, if there's some you want to trade, we can do that.
So I parked right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna call Greg, because I told Greg your story. That's why he messaged you this morning, and he goes, "What?"
Awesome.
I said,
Get him
yeah,
fired up.
They were so rude to him. I said, it was rude. I'm sorry. I thought it was rude.
Well, I'm used to it.
Yeah, well, I don't care. That's and so I told him, and he goes, "We have to pretend that I never told him the story."
Uh-huh.
He goes, "Okay, you don't tell anyone
All
that
right.
you told me. I'm gonna just say he's a really good customer."
He is the best. I'm gonna get another one of these lunar hibiscus. I got excited by it.
It's so nice. I really like them. Let me call him. I'll go look for him. I'll be back.
So should I pull my car up here?
Yeah.
And we can cash out here?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. One Luna hibiscus. And yeah, I am a very regular shopper here. And every week I see something new. Okay, I've got the first boxwood dug in. I think it's going to be okay, but it's already noon, so I gotta get digging. I'm going to put it on a time lapse and just speed through the whole thing. Halfway through, I'm going to switch to this camera, which I just bought. This tiny little, ridiculously small camera. I just bought, it's supposed to be twice the resolution of the camera that I'm filming on right now. We'll see. So we're going to compare the footage. Exciting. Okay, but that'll be halfway through. Okay, we switched cameras and gloves. I've got new gloves. We had to take a break because there was a lot of background noise. So while the neighborhood is fairly quiet, let's record. Okay, so we've got all the boxwoods in. Here's my helper Bjorn. Hi Bjorn.
Hello.
He's from Sweden. He's gonna plant the very last boxwood. Here we go. Now you may notice that we've put them in a little snug together, not built a lot of wiggle room around them. Just because they're very mature already. We're gonna keep them this size. Just neaten them up as we go. Alright, that's it. Until next time.